What are the different levels of software testing? See, software testing, there are two types of software testing: functional testing, non-functional testing. But when we are talking about levels, say you have started writing code just now. You will write 4 or 5 lines, or maybe 10 lines or 40 lines in a day. So let us say that you have these 40 lines is a function. So you will check these function, that is the unit testing. Now next day you wrote one more function, or you can say 2 modules are being made in few days. Now you are combining them, and that combination and then checking, that is called integration testing. Now you have created all the modules, the software is ready. Now it has to be checked with all the other systems which are working it with your software system. That is called the system testing. Actual testing after the system is actually being created. And finally, the user will test. That is called the acceptance testing. So alpha and beta testing. This kind of testings are acceptance testing. So there are 4 different levels in software testing: unit, component testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. Unit testing. So as I said, this is the lowest level in the testing level, lowest level. Unit can be even programs, even can be modules or the components, and because they have to give certain result. Unit testing is performed by the programmer because he knows about the modules, he has written the module, and any function, any problem is there, he will fix instantaneously. So once the unit testing is done, we go for integration testing, because now the modules are being created, few modules, and now you combine them. So we have to see the interfacing, that how this integration testing is all about how the data is flowing from one module to another. So collaboration, interdependency, interface testing. So we are checking the communication between multiple modules. We don't check the functionality of individual modules. That is done in unit testing. So this is the integration testing. Then the system is finally complete. So system testing is used to test the complete or integrated system. So it is basically related to SRS, software requirement specification, that all the requirements are being completed, and this is the system testing. And as I said, both functional and non-functional testing is performed as a part of system testing. And finally is the acceptance testing, and this is performed by the users or the stakeholder, the customer. Now I'll tell you alpha and beta testing here. The difference, just see the difference. See, if alpha testing, beta testing, see, first of all, alpha testing is that you are going to the developer place, because developer is controlling the environment now, and you are testing your code, your software. That is called the alpha testing. Now the software is tested at your end, at your environment. The developer has no control over this environment. That is called the beta testing.